Hi guys, so I just went and picked up my groceries. I didn't do delivery today. I decided to pick it up because I wanted to save on the delivery fee. Anyway, I'm just gonna do a quick grocery haul. I won't put them away right now or anything. I'll just, remove everything from the bags and the boxes and put them on the table just to show you guys. So blackberry, a pint of blackberry, strawberry, some bok choy, baby bok choy, a head of iceberg lettuce, and some bell peppers. Oh, and also guess how much I spent before the end of the video, if you can. Everything's from Superstore. 3 mangoes, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 4 limes, 2 avocados, and a bag of frozen berries for my smoothie bowls. Okay, a bag of sweet and salty popcorn. I bought a new bottle, some fruit bars, lotion, ketchup. I bought French's. I've never bought this before, but I bought it because it was on sale. Some floss, some coconuts that I add to my smoothie bowl, some fruit gummies. I bought chili crisp, 2 cans of corn. I use those in my salad a lot. A bag of cereal for my kids. This is the cereal that they eat. What else? Ooh. A package of flank steak that I use for suya. I bought some yogurt, some Greek yogurt. Ooh, and I bought these dumplings because I saw on I think TikTok or Instagram people making baked dumplings in like a coconut curry sauce. So we're gonna try that this week. I bought some sausage as usual, more yogurt, and then I also like to have this drinkable yogurt. I bought 2 apple grape flavor and vanilla, some cheese strings, cheese strings for my kids, some mozzarella cheese. I bought some grass-fed beef, lean ground beef, grass-fed. What else? Oh, I think a Greek yogurt again for my smoothie bowls, and last but not the least, some oat milk for my kids. All right, that's everything. I really wanted this video to be under 3 minutes, but it ended up not being. Oh, and before I go, how much did I spend on groceries this week? $270. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but $270. All right, that's it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.